Hello, I am Paul Arce. Welcome to a new science class. Today we're going to learn about plants, parts, and photosynthesis. Plants are living things. Like us, they grow, feed, and produce young. Plants are essential for any ecosystem and include magnificent trees and colorful flowers. They provide all the energy for the ecosystem because they can get energy directly from sunlight. Plants are full of surprises. When we ask ourselves questions such as, what is a plant? And how do plants make their own food? We discover that the world of plants is exciting and often mysterious. Well, let's get interesting information about these fantastic living things. There are many different kinds of plants. Giant oaks, tiny roses, and banana trees are all plants. Not all plants look the same, but they are alike in some ways because they have three main parts. These three main parts are roots, stem, and leaves. Flowers are another important part of the plant, even though not all plants have them. Let's talk about roots. Roots are usually underground. They hold the plants in the soil. Roots take up water and other materials that plants need from the soil. Different kinds of roots grow in different kinds of soil. Some plants that grow in sand have many thin roots and spread out over a wide area. These roots can take in water quickly. Other plants have thick roots that grow deep into the soil. And some roots can be eaten. For example, carrots. Let's continue with the stem. Stems help hold plants up. They also carry water and food through plants. Stems can be tall or short. They can be big or thin. Trees have tall and thick stems called trunks, but beans have shorter and thinner stems. Another part are the leaves. Most of plants' food is made in its leaves. Leaves also come in many sizes and shapes. They may be long and wide, like the leaves on a palm tree. Or they may be short and sharp, like the needles of a pine tree. Although leaves can be different colors, such as red or purple, they are usually green. Most leaves only live a short time on plants. Then they fall and new leaves will appear to take their place. Finally, we have the flowers. Flowers are the reproductive part of most plants. Flowers contain pollen and tiny eggs called ovals. After pollination of the flower and fertilization of the oval develops into fruit. Those are the parts of these beautiful living things. And of course, living things need food. Food gives the energy they need to live and grow. You and me, well, we get the food from plants and animals. But how do plants get food? The answer may surprise you. Green plants make their own food. Most plants can produce their own food through a process known as photosynthesis, through which plants capture energy from the sun and convert it into food to grow and reproduce. For photosynthesis, plants need light, water, and nutrients, and of course, carbon dioxide, and they release oxygen into the air. Remember, people and animals need oxygen to breathe. So you can imagine now how important are plants for life. There's no doubt that the world of plants is amazing. Let's see if you remember some important facts of our class. Which is the part of the plant that is underground and holds it in the soil? The roots, of course. Second, let's see if the following statements are true or false. Ready? The flower is the part of the plant that helps hold plants up. They also help carry water and food through plants. True or false? It is false. All those characteristics correspond to the stem. 3. There are no similarities at any plants. All of them are totally different. True or false? False. Remember that even though different kinds of plants are different from one another, they are alike in some ways because they have 3 main parts, which are roots, stem, and leaves. 4. Light synthesis is the process through which plants capture energy from the sun and convert it into food to grow and reproduce. True or false? This is also false. This important process is called, yes, photosynthesis. Well, we could continue learning more and more about these plants, but that will be in another science class. See you then. Bye.